As Diwali lamps light up homes, Dalal Street too rings in the new year, Samvat 2082. But after a muted Samvat 2081, investors are asking the obvious question, can Indian markets bounce back this year? Well, most analysts say yes, but with a caution. They expect returns of 10 to 15% backed by better earnings, steady inflows, and continued policy support. Let's unpack that in markets this week. The year gone by wasn't exactly festive. The Sensex gained just 5.8% and the Nifty 6.8%. Mid-caps barely moved while small caps fell. After two roaring bull years, investors hit pause. Global headwinds from US tariffs to higher visa costs hurt exports and IT stocks. And foreign investors, they shifted money to cheaper markets like China. Now the sentiment is turning, slowly but surely. Brokerages like Nomura see earnings recovery picking up by FY27, with the Nifty potentially touching 26,140 by March 2026. Valuations that once looked stretched have cooled, offering room for steady if not spectacular gains. Analysts say three key triggers will shape Samvat 2082. First, a rebound in corporate earnings after last year's slowdown. Second, a revival in foreign inflows as US rate cuts free up global liquidity. And third, a long-awaited pickup in private investment. So far, public spending has powered growth, but as fiscal policy tightens, private capex will need to take the lead. And if that happens, the rally could broaden beyond large caps. Analysts are bullish on banking, pharmaceuticals, autos, and cement. Consumption-driven sectors like auto and retail could also benefit from tax relief and easier credit. And PSUs, especially in banking and power, may stay in focus as infrastructure and renewable investments gather pace. But it's not all fireworks. Earnings may improve, but valuations remain rich. Without a strong private investment push, the recovery could stay uneven. And analysts warn against chasing every rally or getting caught in FOMO trades. So stick to quality, stay diversified, and watch valuations. So, as investors step into Samvat 2082, the outlook is hopeful but grounded. A 10 to 15% gain may not sound dazzling, but in today's volatile global markets, stability itself is a win. So what's your market outlook for the year? Tell us in the comments and stay tuned for more on markets this week.